After we put the M50 manifold on, we had to go ahead and use this catch can, throw this thing on here, and on this second hose right here on the outlet, we had to go ahead and attach it to a PCV valve underneath the manifold right there. Like you can see, that attaches to an adapter. This 3D printed adapter, we couldn't really find it anywhere else or any dimensions, so we had to go ahead and make our own. Right here's the PCV valve that we used and our 3D printed adapter that we made and designed. We basically put it on this side. It goes right underneath the intake manifold on the little port. Let's go ahead and jump in on how we did our designing and what we used. Basically just started out on on shape, started with a simple circle, started with a drawing on a piece of paper and wanted to work off of that, kind of just do some mock-ups. Obviously we knew we were gonna have to do a couple of revisions from it. I think at the end of the process, we only ever had to do basically 1, maybe 2 revisions to the entire thing, just basically stiffening up the little vacuum port on the top where it gets really thin. At first you'll see we had it basically where it wants to bend and snap and create a hole in the side, and we knew that wasn't going to work out. So we just took it right back in the modeling software and went ahead and edited that. Some of the curves or the edges and putting a curve on them, I thought at first maybe it would help out a lot, but it seems like right here on the bottom, I actually ended up having to take that one off because whenever we were printing it, it was messing it up a lot. These internal ones, I ended up just changing into like a wedge style instead of the actual radius style. But it all ended up working out. Next, we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the printer. I think this one was like our 6th try or something like that. It definitely took a while to go ahead and get all the settings right. You can see here, we had a big pile of scraps at the end of it. That was about half. Just try after try, trying to get it all right, trial and error. Right now, we're gonna throw it back up in, change some of those edges like I was saying. The bottom one, we just had to make it completely flat. After doing those changes, we went ahead and threw it back up on the printer and tested it out, seeing what we got. We noticed the tip of it was just a little too flimsy, more than we would like. You can see right here in this video, while we were actually bending it, it actually snapped and we knew we had to do some changes to it. Really, the only changes we needed to do was put this like wedge on the top of it to give it a lot more support, whether you're bending it side to side or whatever you're doing. I think I may go back and adjust it a little more, but for now it works perfectly and it doesn't really allow it to bend at all on the top. It's just a little time lapse of it creating them. We had a bunch of little issues here and there, as you can see, but once it gets done, we basically take it, clean it up a little bit, and it turns out phenomenal. This was a very fun process and I really enjoyed doing it, so we're definitely going to be doing this for quite a bit more. You can actually use TPU for a lot of stuff on the motor, as long as it doesn't get too hot or obviously get too much oil or fuel. We are going to be posting these up on our website, so go ahead and check out our website for these and a couple of other things on there as well, and you can see all of our other social medias.